Do you want to set parental controls in Tubi TV? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set parental controls for your kids in Tubi TV. So let's go ahead and go to your profile and go to account settings. Now you can see the parental controls. You can go ahead and click on little kids, other kids or teens to set the contents accordingly. So go to account settings, go to parental control, and then you can choose these and then you can set your password. This will set a parental control in which the contents will be limited and it will be according to the age you have just set. So after selecting the type of content you want to see, you can go password and you can hit your password. After saving it, you can go to your Tubi TV and you can see that your content has been updated. This is according to the content, the age and the parental control you have just set. Now let me show it to you once again how you can set parental control. Go to your account settings, go to parental control, and you can set your parental control according to your wish. Write down your password, click save, and you can see if you go to home in Tubi TV that your parental control has been changed and it has been changed to teen this time. So it's quite easy. Go to your account settings in the right hand corner and then go to parental control. Select one of these and write down the password. Click save and you can see that your parental control has been changed and the contents has been changed as you have set it to adults. So this was a video on how you can set parental controls on Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.